Want to set up and open a Cash App account? Here's how to do it. First, download Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Cash App app. Enter your phone number or email address. Tap Next. Enter the verification code sent to you. Cash App will now ask you to link a debit card. Enter your debit card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code, or tap Skip if you want to add it later. Next, enter your legal first and last name. Tap Next. Enter your date of birth. Tap Next. Create your Cashtag. This must be unique. If the name is taken, try a different variation. Tap Next. You'll be asked about the Cash App card. You can order one or tap Skip. Choose whether to sync your contacts. This helps you find friends already using Cash App. After that, your account is ready. You can tap the dollar amount to send money. Tap Pay to send. Tap Request to receive. You can also link a bank account anytime in Settings. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Cash App tips and tutorials.